Good job, Omar.
You can sit together, ma'am, so you can sit together if you want.
Can I sit with him? Can I?
It's fine.
Can I sit with him?
The other way. The other way.
Yes, if you want to. Look, stay away from me.
What's that? Is that an excavator? Good job, Omar. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Wow, good job, Omar. You want to go this one? Oh, that one. Come on, like this one is nice. You want to go on that one? This one? Yeah, come. You'll put the other one. Yeah. Open it, open it. Make it go all the way down. Other one. Yay, like that. Good job. Whoa, like that. Oh, now put it down, now put it down. The other one, the other one. Yeah. Now press the other one now. The other one, the other, yeah. The other one, no, the other one. The other one, this one, this one, this one. Yes, Abudi. Hello, Omar. Press it, press it. Yeah, press that one. Yeah.